Welcome to BVB Sangha's Arts, Science and Commerce Independent PU College, Vidyagiri, Bagalkot. Our esteemed college was established in the year 2003 with an intention to provide morally individual development of the students under the guidelines of our principal, Professor S.H. Vatavati sir. The college faculty has dedicated to develop self-reliant and responsible citizens. I am proud to say that nearly 1500 students are gaining knowledge in the different streams at present. Among them, Kumar Arun Ilashettar got 46th rank in medical in 2014-15. Ultimately, our college is to stimulate the values and commitment for excellence in higher education. Let us glance over the unique features of Department of Physics which makes different from other college. Our department motto is to provide the best teaching and various competitive spirit to the students. We have huge list of impressive success of students. Our department has a unique method of teaching in which easy techniques, timely completion of syllabus and stressing on vital areas are accompanied with well-planned test series and regular assessment of performance. Our college working hour is from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are conducting online classes for our students. These pictures are some of the glimpse of our college. Now we move on to the introduction of physics department faculties. Physics department comprises of highly knowledgeable and experienced faculties. Now let us look into each one of them. I am Miss Veena Kundargi, head of the department. I pursued post-graduation from Karnataka University, Dharwad. I have been serving as a lecturer since 2012 in this esteemed institute. I have been attending teachers' orientation programs regularly to keep up the pace with current changes. I teach regular theory classes for class 11 and 12 and preparation for practical examination. Apart from this, I am providing coaching for aspirants of NEET, JEE, Karnataka CET candidates for their well-known achievements. Secondly, he is Mr. Prabhu Mali. He completed his post-graduation from Rani Channamma University, Belgavi. He has been working as a lecturer for 5 years. He is well expertise in theory, in practical activities, and he is also providing coaching for JEE, NEET and Karnataka CET examinations. Last but not the least, she is Sushma Kamar, who is alumni of our college. She completed her post-graduation from Rani Channamma University, Belgavi. She has been working as a lecturer for 3 years. She involved in teaching theory classes, practical, as well as she is guiding the students in the preparation of competitive examinations. We mainly focus on the following key factors of teaching. Those are theory classes, practicals, and competitive examinations. The first foremost is curriculum structure based on NCERT syllabus, which focuses on the fundamentals and inner development of each personality at the present generation. We have audio visual LCDs, smartboard equipments in the classrooms under CC camera surveillance. We are providing printed notes and assignments on each topics. And for every 15 days, we conduct unit test. According to their performance and attendance, we inform to the parents by SMS alert through WhatsApp group. Apart from this, we regularly organize guest lecture programs, workshops and seminars where academicians comes from different reputed institutes and colleges. They interact with the students, they inspire them, motivate to their inner perception. All the laws of physics are expressions of experimentally observed regularities in nature. In the laboratory, students have an opportunity to observe those regularities directly. Laboratory work is a very important part of a course in physics. It reinforces the students' understanding of fundamental concepts and principles while at the same time helping the students to develop skills in carrying out scientific measurements. For these reasons, successful completion of laboratory work will be required for every student. We have an advanced, well assembled physics laboratory with all the required physics lab equipment which are indeed attractive. Our physics laboratory products are the perfect solution for understanding the various concepts of physics smartly and practically. They also help students to develop collaborative learning skills. We will issue physics practical manual and physics record book. With an add-on benefit, our department is providing the videos of all practicals online which will help the students to revise anytime. Our department plays a very vital role in the preparation of JEE, NEET and Karnataka CET examination. We are providing a good study material consisting of actual exam-like questions and a well-researched and lucidly written content for students preparing for the intended exam. Immediately after the completion of each chapter in regular theory classes, we are conducting CET classes for the benefit of the students. We are conducting CET test series for our students. Every test is followed by detailed feedback to help you realize the gaps in your preparation. Personalized classes will be conducted to help the students to spend more time on the topics that needs focus. Guest lecturers from various reputed colleges will also be invited so that students can get the best knowledge. With all these facilities and best guidelines from our faculties, our students worked hard to achieve their success. Now, let me mention some of our students' top achievements. In the last year, the top 3 ranks from Bagalkot Taluk were secured by our college students. Rashmi Hiremat, Basavaraj Madivalar and Sanjay Harvi. Also, Rashmi Hiremat secured 3rd rank to Bagalkot district. Tejas Honnungar has secured 1st rank in PCMB combination to Bagalkot Taluk. Vijaya Appanavar secured NEET All India ranking 454 and Sagar Maitri secured JEE All India ranking 546. Many students have showed a great success in JEE, NEET and Karnataka CET, who are now studying in top IIT and medical colleges. Our physics department provides prize money to the students who achieve good marks in physics subject. Apart from government scholarships, our institution provides Sri Beluru Gurubasava Utsava Samiti Scholarship, Srimati Girija Tapshetty Scholarship, and Kumaraya Basaya Viraktamat Scholarship. Awards are being given to the students with excellent performance in various subjects on the day of Pratibha Puraskara every year. Principals' hard work may often go unnoticed, but these amazing leaders play a huge role in the proven success of teachers, staff, and students. So, this is an opportunity for the students to learn in this college. Thank you for being a part of this reputed institute of North Karnataka.